Hey there guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to show you how to export contacts from ManyChat. Now, if you want to export your contacts somewhere else, you can easily do that, but remember you need the pro version for this, and I'm going to show you why, right? So we are logged into our dashboard, and here on the left-hand side, we are going to see, we are in the home page. Underneath it, it's going to say contacts, so click contacts. This is where all your contacts will be listed, right? So we have one here, right? Letitia Klein. If I click on this contact, this will pop up, and I want you to click on the three dots on the right hand side like so. This pop-up will appear, and at the very bottom near delete contact, there's an option that says download contact data, and as you can see, it is pro. So if you have the pro plan, you can just click download contact data, and it'll be downloaded to your PC or laptop, and you will be good to go. So that is how you do it. Pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We will see you on the next video.